These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. 5 quarts of 020 synthetic engine oil, spin-on oil filter, and a can of MOA engine oil treatment. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. A 3/8 extension, 3/8 ratchet, another 3/8 extension, 14mm socket, flat tip screwdriver, cup type oil filter wrench, funnel, and my drain box. Okay, first I'm going to be opening up my engine oil filler cap, putting on my funnel. Now we're going underneath the vehicle. So I'm under the vehicle, going to be removing this oil drain plug. It's in the back of the pan. Putting back my drain plug. Tightening up my plug. I'm going to be removing the oil filter. It's located on the right rear of the engine. Filling up my filter with some oil. Lubricate the O-ring. So I'm going to be putting on my oil filter. Check the block side to make sure there's no gasket material on the block. If there is, remove it. Putting on my filter. Adding in my engine oil. Adding 1 can of MOA. Pulling out my funnel. Putting on my oil filler cap. Make sure it's tight. You don't want it vibrating loose. I'm going to start up the engine. Yeah, let it run for a little while. That should be good enough. Now we can check the oil level. So I'm gonna be checking the oil level. It's gonna be on the left front side of the engine. Pull it out, wipe it down, put it back in, pull them out and check your level. Perfect, right up to the full. So that's how you change engine oil and oil filter. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.